friend, in this video I will teach you how to make a PDF with images. Professional PDF. Open your Google Play Store app and search Ishan PDF Manager and install it. I will also give this link in the description. Now open this application. Now click on Image to PDF. Now select your images. One, two, three, 4, 5. Click on Show button. Now you can edit these images. First click on Edit Images. You can crop it, you can rotate it. If you any edit in this photo, you should save current. Okay, now you can check. Click on Save Current. Okay, and then click on Write button. Now click on this Create PDF button. Now name your PDF's name. Your images is converting into PDF files. Now in 2 seconds only. Now click on Open PDF and select your photo is best in quality. This is square. You can see that is portrait. Square, portrait, portrait.